Okay, so this is officially good enough. Some butyl degreaser and some elbow grease and a whole lot of rinsing. There's a little bit left here and there. This is just scale, so I don't care. But all the garbage that was up around the door latch is gone. Everything except for a little bit of scale is gone here. This is clean, it's just stained. Down here is all sparkly clean except, again, where it's stained. But it smells fine. And it's nothing crazy. And around here, clean this edge, clean the door interface, which gets kind of skanky. And then all the way around the lip here. This had a 1/4 inch of grease on it in places, and now it's basically clean. While I was in here, jeez, people keep messaging me. Stop it, Tamarack. While I was in here, I cleaned out most of this stuff. Can't actually get in here to clean it, but it's okay. Maybe a couple spots I'll touch up. You can tell this machine wasn't really meant to be rebuilt because none of this stuff comes apart. So it's really hard to get all of that stuff out. And it's especially hard to get under this lip. Stop it, Tamarack. So, probably got to pick out a little bit more of this stuff. Oh yeah. But all the scale and crap is gone around here. This is going to be under the lips, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's pretty close anyway. And yeah, all shiny and new. It's ready for some parts.